Hello cuties, let's learn some colors. Pink color, grey color, brown color, orange color, green color, red color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, purple color, dark blue color, black color, yellow color. A for apple. Grey color. B for boat. Dark green color. C for cat. Pink color. D for dolphin. Brown color. E for elephant. Dark blue color. F for fish. Purple color. G for gorilla. Orange color. H for house. Red color. I for ice cream. Black color. J for juice. Light green color. K for king. Sky blue color. L for lotus. Yellow color. M for monkey. Grey color. N for nose. Dark green color. O for octopus. Pink color. P for pig. Brown color. Q for quilt. Dark blue color. R for rainbow. Purple color. S for sun. Orange color. T for train. Red color. U. U for umbrella. Black color. V. V for violin. Light green color. W. W for watch. Sky blue color. X. X for xylophone. Yellow color. Y. Y for yak. Grey color. Z. Z for zucchini. Green color. Question mark. Pink color.
Exclamation.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Super cuties! Today we learned colors and alphabets. See you in next video. Bye bye.